At Life Fixture Maritime Law, we know overcoming accidents at sea take more than compensation. For 30 years, our holistic support through legal claims and counseling has empowered over 600 maritime professionals navigating towards renewed stability. Now our lifeline reaches to steady you too. Maritime crews risk life and limb daily delivering goods across oceans that connect our world. But who assists when stormy disasters or mechanical failures upend sailors' well-being? Our legal lifelines intervene securing vital compensation and counseling after accidents at sea. Capsize health. For 30 years, our maritime lawyers have empowered over 600 maritime professionals regaining stability after incidents offshore critically impacted finances and families. We offer more than legal expertise, we provide genuine empathy, wisdom, and support navigating turbulent times until calmer waters ahead appear. Successfully representing maritime workers from offshore oil riggers to ferry captains, we comprehend admiralty law's complexity. Nuanced negligence, liability, and settlement laws differ across sailors' sectors like commercial cargo, fishing, passenger cruise, or recreational boating industries. Let our experience across domains guide you. Admiralty laws also mandate unique protections for maritime crews that companies frequently deny. But our lawyers have secured owed coverage for longshoremen's spinal cord injuries, deckhands' cerebral trauma, drowned crew on capsized ferries, and other catastrophic casualties. We uncover every available remedy you deserve. Yet money alone cannot mend suffering souls. So, our holistic counseling also facilitates inner healing by connecting clients who endured shared struggles. Support groups mutually sustain members grappling post-accident challenges from chronic pain to forging new careers ashore. Together, sailors turn survivors rediscover richer destinies their way. But before looking ahead, establishing past negligence is essential. Meticulously investigating accidents offshore reveals oversights causing mishaps, from inadequate crew training to flagrant safety violations. Determining root causes strengthens our case against liable cruise lines, freight carriers, and part makers. Securing punitive damages brings justice while funding your future. Of course, securing resolution requires time as cases wind through legal channels. Through inevitable ups and downs, count on our empathetic counselors and maritime attorneys as trusted partners on your side. We will carefully explain each phase from filing claims to settlement offers to help ease worries when rough waters roll. Fear not, this too shall pass. For more informative and interested videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.